Hello, and welcome to the Mr. 50mm YouTube channel. For today, we're going to do something a little different. I recently bought a lot of untested film cameras from eBay. And today, we're going to do an unboxing, and we're going to see if we can test some of the cameras and see if we can kind of judge whether or not I got some working ones. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a different format. We're just going to see how it goes and whether or not I like shooting this. You may have noticed that my YouTube Doom dungeon of recording is not the most capacious setup, so things may look cramped on camera because they are. But that being said, let's get into it. So this is the box of goods. It's quite large. This is actually the second take, because the first take, I was just about to jab the knife in before I realized that the lav was rubbing against the cardboard box. But I just want to say, again, this is a non-scripted video, so we're just going to open it up, see what we get. I did bring some batteries down to the Doom bunker to pop them in if they are the correct ones, just to see if we can get a better idea of what I got that may be working. So AA batteries, I am 100% sure there's at least one camera that uses these. The one that I actually want to work in this lot. But yeah, let's get this knife open and let's get chopping. All right, what's the rule with knives? Always cut towards you? I think so. Cut towards. Cut towards. Oh. Or is it away? Yeah, 50-50. All right. Oh boy. Many obscurities happening. All right. Ridiculous amount of bubble wrap. Aha! Okay, here we go. All right. So we got first one here. This is a Olympus AF1, and I believe the battery door is. What? Huh. All right, I don't have a battery for that here. I think I have one upstairs. It does look, oh boy, this is there is some juice growing underneath there. I may need to pull this apart and see if I can clear the lens. I don't know if you can see it. There's definitely some fungus there, so that's very sad. But it otherwise looks like it's in great condition. All right, that's one down. Okay, so the next one, a Minolta Vectus 10 APS film camera, kind of useless. I'll put that down. Okay, here's another one that's kind of neat. The Canon Prima 5. What do we got? A lithium oh, I think this one. This is the battery that goes in. All right, let's see. Will it fire up? Whew. All right. It lives, I think. Flashes on auto. I don't think that's going, but let's see. Oh, wait. That did go. All right, let's try that again. I think this works. It makes a horrendous noise, but it does go. All right. This was one of the interesting ones, so hooray. All right. The next one here, Samsung Pheno 30S with autofocus. It's a 30mm all glass lens. That's good to know. I like glass lenses. All right, here we got AA batteries. So let's crack that open. Okay. This camera has definitely seen better days. I think we can safely say that one is dead. Yes, and I think I can kind of guess why. The battery door is very... It's not the worst battery door ever, but it does look like there was crud in there at some point. I am guessing that things have not been well for this camera. So we're gonna put that down in the pile of not super useful. Ah, here we go. That is, nasty. Okay, that is a Kodak Instamatic 100. It's very sticky. Also, I'm just gonna, I'm putting that back in the box. We're gonna ignore that and keep going. Okay. Ah, here's one. An Olympus Trip 100. And what does it take? I think this takes double the batteries. All right, so let's see where I put those. And see if this is good. So, oh. This pops to life. It is a focus-free camera. And the flash is off. So this does appear to work. I don't know if I should use it, but cool. All right. Put this in the pile of cool things. All right. This is another focus-free jobby, the Concorde. I don't need to put a battery in there, it's just for the flash. This appears to be manual everything. So let's open that. Shutter goes, and oh, I see. The someone has gouged the bottom part of this camera. I don't know if you can see. That is, I'm not gonna bother trying to recover that. That's gone. All right, what else do we got? Another Samsung, the Maxima Zoom 70 XL. And this takes, oh boy. Oh, that door is really on there. Okay, let's see what, I'm gonna grab a pry tool and see. There we go. Okay, this takes another 3-volt cell. So let us pack that in. Stop this one. I did hear it. Oh, that's kind of sad. I thought I heard something, but I guess it did not actually work. All right, I'm gonna, maybe the button is not very good. Oh, it's alive. It is alive. Wait, no, that lens did not come out. All right, it's not alive. It is partially alive. Oh, here we go. Okay. So the power button is just a bit janky, but it looks like, oh, it looks like things actually do work on this. I'm gonna turn the flash off. Oh boy. Off. It's got like some interesting modes. All right, let's see. Maybe this works, I'm not super sure. Well, the flash works. It is making a noise. I don't know, it's not, doesn't sound like it's advancing the film, but it might not do that because there's no film in it, so. Okay, let's see. Let me see if the shutter's actually going. Oh. Well, it is actually firing the shutter. I did see it open, but I don't know if the motor's actually going, so. Oh no, there you go. When I close the door, you can hear it. All right, so I'm gonna assume this one is working relatively okay, and we're going to move on to the next camera. First, I gotta pop that battery out. Oh. All right, this is a very large box to have on me the entire time. It's not very heavy though, it's just annoying. Okay. In the pile of working. All right, next we got a Canon Prima zoom shot. This actually has like a mode dial on the back. And let's see what kind of batteries this wants. All right, so I feel like this is another... Oh no, I've dropped my thing. Okay. Well, hopefully the sound isn't too horrendous of the cardboard and whatnot, but I don't know. I'll try to edit that out. Okay. Another 3-volt pack. Yes. And oh my god. Here we go. Is it alive? Oh, well, that basically popped alive. And let's see. Well, it's on auto. There we go. I got a green light of confirmation. Might get a flash. Oh, wait, no. I was pointing it directly at my LED panel, so probably not. But here, let's... There we go. So yeah, there you go. Another working one. Canon Prima zoom shot. I'll power that off. All right, I believe we have maybe 1 or 2 left. I think maybe 1. Okay, there's another focus-free jobby. The winder's on the bottom, which is kind of weird, and there's a name on the back. So if you are Daniel A. Dam, I have your camera. It's mine now. Let's see if I can wind the shutter. It does work. There's a film rewind. Let's open the battery or the film door. Yes, the rewind does. It is still connected to the little rewind shaft. So I'm gonna assume this camera is totally fine. It is the cheapest thing I've ever felt though, but it will go in the pile of functioning bits. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to put the camera down with a nasty ass Instamatic. Hope you enjoyed that. I don't know why I did that. That was weird. But yeah, we got, I think, 3, well, 1 APS-C camera or APS film camera, 1 dead Samsung, and 1 dead focus-free camera, with the remaining ones being working except for the Instamatic, which I assume might work, but it's sticky and I don't particularly care for this. So it's going in the bin of awayness. But yes, hope that unboxing was neat. I don't know, it's kind of fun to do. I don't know if I'm going to keep doing these. Maybe if I keep finding these weird lots. I really want to get a battery and see if this works. I believe I have one upstairs, so I'll actually be right back. So I had a closer look at the battery requirements, and it just needs a 6-volt pack, and it's looking for a DL223A or BRP2s. We got CR123As, but I'm pretty sure 2 of these will work, because it looks like it's actually also designed to fit 2. So let's see. 2 in series. Oh boy. Or I'm gonna break shit. I don't know. Let us see though. All right, maybe it does not like those packs. Oh, I see. I don't believe it is making enough contact to make this work. Let's see if I can jam a tool in there. Okay, so it's not how you're supposed to power it, but this makes 6 volts, and it does appear that if I can get the back terminal here to play nice. It definitely doesn't like what I'm doing. But I think that might work. I will see if I can find an alternate way to power it and confirm that the shutter advance is actually, or the film advance is actually working. But if it is, that would be very sweet. I'm back. So, bad news. The AF1 is a bit dead. So I was able to get the 2 batteries that I had in there to make the camera fire, but it looks like the film advance motor is dead. So that's not all bad news. I will probably try to open this up and see if I can fix it, maybe? We'll see. Anyways, that's all I had for this video. Yeah, let me know which one of these cameras is the most interesting one to you. For me, it was this one, and I thought it ran on AA's for some reason. It does not. Kind of sad. But I guess it was moot anyways, because it was pretty broken. Otherwise, let me know what you think below, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, maybe a super thanks if you're into that. Till next time, bye.